What's up, everybody? Look, I am Chris Newsom, better known as OG Barber on Instagram, and Chris Newsom 2 on TikTok. So today, we're going to be showing you guys a mohawk fade on my client, Gavin. This is my son. Say hello, Gavin.
Hi.
So, you guys stay tuned in, and we're going to get straight to it, all right? So this right here is my traveling case. It's made by Shortcut Barber Case. This right here is very easy and simple for on the road, so it's easy to set up. So as you can see, I got all my clippers right here set up. I can easily open it, and I got other stuff down here. So pretty good barbering case. I like it. Let's go. Now my clipper of choice is the Barber Pro Low Pro FX. So now we're gonna throw that 2 guard on there. Let's do it. Let's go. Starting out, I will be making a part starting from the corner of his hairline all the way back to the occipital bone. So we're gonna knock that all the way down up into the part. My next step, I will be using these FX3s Barber Pro to make my bottom line of demarcation. I'm going from bottom to top, and my clippers are closed up. For this next part, we'll be using our Andes T outliners, and we'll be coming right here at the bottom part and just cleaning up that bottom part, not going all the way up to that line. We'll just be cleaning up right off in here and just sketching out this part. And so now we'll be using our close shaver to get it down to the skin. Let's roll. We will be opening the clipper blade all the way up, and we will be making a demarcation line an inch up right in here. So next we will drop back down to that demarcation line, and we will be closing our blade all the way up, and we'll be getting that line out, and we'll be sketching sideways just like that. Now we'll be creating another demarcation line with my 1 guard on, and we'll be going up an inch higher. Next, we'll be using a 0.5 guard to be getting this demarcation line out right here. Next, we'll be putting our 1 guard back on, and we'll be opening the blade all the way up to start another demarcation line right in here. Next, we'll be putting our 1.5 guard on, and we'll be closing this all the way up, and we'll be making another line. Right now we'll be putting our 1 guard back on, and we'll be opening it all the way up, and we'll be getting that line out that we created the 1 guard with right here. Now that we are done with the fade part, we'll be moving to our next step, and we'll be getting this right here cut down, the top part. Hold up. I did say that you have to do the same thing on both sides, right? Yeah, okay. All right, let's go to the next step. Let's go. Now we're gonna take these clips out, and we're going to damp his hair really, really good. Now that I don't have a water bottle, I'm gonna have to put his head up underneath the sink. All right, let's go. All right, we're gonna head to the sink bowl, and we'll be right back. Let's go. Back. All wet. So on this next part, we'll be getting his hairline together. As you can see, he don't really have a hairline, so we're gonna create him a hairline. Let's go. I'm gonna start right here at the middle of his forehead, and I am going to work my way out to the corner part of his head. All right, so on this part right here, I'm gonna measure all corner to corner. Make sure our corners are even. Now we gotta wipe that face off. This part right here is completely optional. I'm going to use an enhancement on his hairline, and this right here is how you do it. Let's go. So I just used that as an adhesive. Now I'm going to put the hair fiber spray on his hairline. All right. Now we're going to be diffusing his hair real quick to get them curls popping. All right. All right. So this right here is the end result of his haircut. So like I said, we kept the curls, and we got that fresh fade on the side, fresh line up, all there, baby. Hey, look, if you like this video and you like my page, you like this haircut, subscribe to my page, baby. All right, thanks.